Hello dear children, in today's video we are going to understand one more exercise from class 8th standard mathematics, and this is exercise 2b. Exponent we are doing. In previous day class we had done exercise 2a. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है तो फिर you can watch that video where I had discussed with you exercise 2a. Before we start exercise 2b, let me explain you the laws of exponent. As you all know that without knowing the laws of exponent, this will be difficult for you to understand this exercise. So what are the laws of exponent? If a upon b be any rational number and m and n be any integers, then we have, these are the laws: a upon b to the power m multiply by a upon b to the power n is equal to a upon b to the power m plus n. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि if the bases are equal and the powers are different or same, that doesn't matter here. अगर base equal है and there is a multiplication, then power will be added. If the bases are same and there is a division, then power will be subtracted, as you all can see, m minus n. And if you see anywhere that a number to the power m to the power n, then both the powers will be multiplied like this. And if you see anywhere like this, the situation if you get where there are two numbers in the bracket a upon b into c upon d to the power n, then we can separate like this: a upon b to the power n and again multiply by c upon d to the power n. या फिर आप इस फॉर्म में भी अगर कोई नंबर है तो आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. अगर पावर नेगेटिव हो a upon b to the power minus n, then simply you write the reciprocal of this base. This will become b upon a to the power plus n, where n is a positive integer and anything to the power 0 is 1. So I hope that the laws are clear. A upon b to the power 0 1, where a upon b is a rational number, right? M and n be any integers. So let's start the sums of this exercise. So what is the first question here? Express as a rational number, and the first question is 5 to the power minus 1. So using the laws of exponent, this will be 1 upon 5 to the power plus 1, और या फिर इसको आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 5, because 5 to the power 1 is 5 only. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 6 is equal to 2 upon 1, यानी कि इसका रेसिप्रोकल यहाँ पर हो गया as per the law, to the power 6, and we know that 2 to the power 6 is what? It's 64, and 1 to the power 6 is 1 only, so its answer is 64. 3 upon 4 to the power minus 4 will be 4 upon 3, रेसिप्रोकल है ये, to the power plus 4, और अगर आप इसे कैलकुलेट करोगे 4 to the power 4, so this will be 4 का power 4, that means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 and 4 into 4 is 16, and if you multiply 16 and 16, then what you will get? So why I am showing you this calculation? Because I know that there is a mistake, right? So this will be 256 divided by 81. So like this I will do the correction in the answer, because these answers are done by one of the student. minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2. So here the power is negative, so to make it positive we need to write the reciprocal of this. So 5 will go up and minus 4 will come down, but it's written minus sign with the numerator, so it's okay, no problem. So minus 5 to the power square will be plus 25 and 4 to the power 2 is 16, so that its answer is 25 upon 16. Minus x to the power minus 1 will be 1 upon this is minus x, so it will be 1 upon minus x to the power plus 1, and its answer will be 1 upon minus x. So I assume that the questions written here are correct. Now if there is a mistake in the question itself, because I am not verifying the question from the textbook, so later on if you see that the question is only wrong, so accordingly the answer also will change. So I am taking this question as minus x whole to the power minus 1. Okay, according to this question the answer will be 1 by minus x, right? Or minus 1 upon x also you can write. Next, simplify and express with positive exponent. So 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. So what is one thing about this expression, that all the bases are equal and there is a multiplication sign, so the powers will be added. Minus 3 plus 11 plus this minus 10. So minus 3 plus 11 is 8 and 8 minus 10 will be minus 2. So 4 upon 9 to the power minus 2, and just to change this negative exponent to positive we need to write reciprocal of the base. It will be 9 upon 4 to the power 2. What was the question? Simplify and express with positive exponent. So as per the question, this is the answer, 9 by 4 to the power 2. So next is minus 7 by 11 to the power minus 6 divided by minus 7 by 11 to the power minus 2. So the powers, the bases are same, but there is division. The power will be subtracted. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. So minus 6 plus 2. So minus 4, and to make it positive we need to write 11 by 7 to the power 4. So actually there was a negative sign, but we know that ki minus to the power even is what? Plus sign. So even if you write 11 by 7 to the power 4, that's also correct. Or if you write minus 11 upon 7 to the power 4, this also correct, no problem. Number 3, minus 8 by 3 to the power minus 7 divided by minus 8 by 3 to the power 4. So the power will be subtracted as there is a division sign here. So minus 8 by 3 to the power minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11. So 3 will go up and minus 8 will come down. So minus sign is written with the numerator. This is alright, no problem. So minus 3 by 8 to the power 11. As we know that the standard form of rational number is what? It should be in simplest form, and the minus sign should not be with the denominator, so that it's written with the numerator. It's okay, no problem. Even if you write here 3 by minus 8 to the power 11, then also your answer will be correct only here, no issue. Number 4, 9 upon 11 to the power minus 3 into 9 upon 11 to the power minus 7 divided by 9 upon 11 to the power minus 3. So this is the question I am taking. So 9 upon 11 to the power will be added. Minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10, and now there is a division, so power will be subtracted. Minus 10 minus of minus 3, which will be this. So 9 by 11 to the power minus 7, so it will be 11 by 9 to the power 7. It's okay. 3 by 5 to the power minus 2 and whole to the power minus 4 will be 3 by 5 to the, their bracket is missing here, to the power minus 2 into minus 4 will be 8. 3 by 5 to the power 8. It's all right. And sixth number is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 4 to the power minus 2. So if you multiply all the power, it will be 3 4s are 12, 2s are 24, minus 24. So if we want to change this negative exponent in positive, it will be 3 upon minus 2, that means minus 3 by 2 also, to the power 24. So as I have told you, since the power is even number, our minus sign is in the inside the bracket, so we can remove that minus sign, okay, because minus to the power even is plus. So this is done. Now number 3, evaluate. So in evaluate we have to find the answer. Number 1, minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 2 into minus 6 by 5 to the power minus 2. So here you see the powers are equal, the exponents are equal, though the bases are different. So we can multiply these two bases, minus 3 by 4 into minus 6 by 5, and power will remain same, minus 2, as per the laws of exponent which I have shared with you. तो it will be, इसको काटे हैं, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, तो माइनस माइनस दिस विल बी प्लस, राइट. ये माइनस 3 है और दिस इज ऑल्सो माइनस 3, तो प्लस 9 अपॉन 5 2 जा 10 टू द पावर माइनस 2, तो इट विल बी 10 बाई 9 टू द पावर 2, तो 10 का स्क्वायर 100 और 9 का स्क्वायर 81. ओके तो यहाँ पर दोनों साइन नेगेटिव था तो ये पॉजिटिव होना ही है, कुछ कुछ यहाँ पे मिस्टेक किया हुआ है. आई एम टेकिंग दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन, आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग द आंसर एज पर द क्वेश्चन रिटन हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, राइट. इफ यू लेटर ऑन इफ यू फाइंड एनी मिसमैचिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक विद दिस, देन अकॉर्डिंगली द आंसर विल चेंज. बाय द वे यहाँ पर अगर ये नेगेटिव भी होता तो आंसर आपका मैच हो ही जाता, बिकॉज माइनस टू द पावर 2 इज प्लस, लेकिन यहाँ पर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द साइन विल बी पॉजिटिव इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट इटसेल्फ. 11 by 7 to the power minus 4 and 7 by 44 to the power minus 4. So 11 by 7 into 7 by 44, 11 4 is 44, 7 7 cancel, 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 will be 4 to the power 4, and it is 4 2 5 6. Again I have to check 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. I don't think this will be this answer, because up mein we have done 16 into 16, 256 is the answer if the power is 4. I don't, okay, I am taking this 4, right. So 1 by 4 to the power 4, so 4 to the power 4 is 256. Next, number 3, minus 16 to the power minus 3 into 1 by 20 to the power minus 3. So this will be minus 16 multiplied by 1 by 20, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So this will be minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3, because there is only one minus sign. According to question, because there is no minus sign here in the bracket, if this question is correct, then according to that there will be minus 4 upon 5, and this will be minus 5 by 4 to the power 3, and then the answer will be negative, that means minus 125 upon 64. Question number 4, evaluate. 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 2. This will be 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4 to the power 2. So 1 by 3 into 4 by 1. So 4 by 3, 16 by 9 is the answer. So 4 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 2. So if we add this 2, it will be 2 plus 8, 10 by 8, and when this division will be converted into multiplication, then we need to write reciprocal of this number 2 upon 3, and now reduce the number. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, so again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so 5 by 6 is the answer. This is right. So I think you have seen this answer. No, if you want to copy this, or if you want to note down this anywhere, then you can pause the video and note down. 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 4 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 to the power 0. So this is the question which is reflecting this PDF. So this will be 3 by 2 to the power 2, because the power is negative here. Here also the power is negative, so 4 by 3 to the power 3, and here the power is 0. So as we know that a by b to the power 0 is 1, or a to the power 0 is 1, so it will be 1. Now 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4, and 4 by 3 whole cube is 64 by 27, as here neither the base nor the powers are same, so this is only the way we can do. So the answer has come minus 16 upon 3. If we reduce 9 upon 4 into 64 upon 7, so there is no minus sign, 16 by 3, so 4 say it will go 4 1s are 4, 16 times में, and this is 9 by 4 and this is 27, so 9 3s are 27, so 16 by 3 is the right answer. We can change this in the mixed fraction, so 5 whole 1 by 3 will be the answer. Number 4, minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 by 8 to the power minus 2. So it will be 4 by minus 1 to the power 3 divided by 8 by 3 to the power 2. So minus 64 by 1 divided by 8 square is 64 by 3 square is 9. So minus 64 into 9 upon 64, and in this way its answer is minus 9. Okay. Find x such that this. Now in this type of equation, these are in the equation form, we have to make all the बेसेस इक्वल. तो यहाँ पर तो ऑलरेडी सारे के सारे बेसिस जो हैं वो इक्वल ही हैं. तो 7/4 टू द पावर -3 एंड -5 हो गया टू द पावर x -2. सो 7/4 टू द पावर -8 एंड 7/4 टू द पावर x -2. Now after this we compare. If the bases are same, then we can write power equal to power. That's the rule. So -8 will be equal to x -2, and if we simplify this using the concept of linear equation, then we will be getting -8 and -2. When it will come this side, it will be +2, so that x is what? -6. So this is the answer. Now here 125/8 into 125/8 to the power x equal to 5/2 to the power 18. So here we can observe one thing, that the bases are not same, and 5/2 is smaller than these bases. So this also we have to convert as a base of 5/2. So we know that 5 cube is 125 and 2 cube is 8. So we can write here 5/2 to the power 3. For this we can write this. Okay. Similarly for 125/8 we can write 5/2 to the power 3, and as there is a x in the question, so it will be 3x and 5/2. So now you see all the bases are now equal. So 5/2 to the power 3 plus 3x equal to 5/2 to the power 18, and 3 plus 3x is equal to 18. So 3x is 15 and x is 5. Number 6. Find the reciprocal of the following rational numbers. So first we need to simplify this, and then we will find the reciprocal of that. So -3/7 to the power -3 minus of -4, we are applying the same rule. So this is the answer, -3/7, and its reciprocal will be 7/3, या फिर इसको लिखिए आप -7/3. it's all right. Similarly 8/11 to the power 2 to the power -5, 11/8 to the power -12. तो 8/11 to the power हो गया ये -10, and this is 8/11 to the power 12. तो फिर पावर विल बी एडेड. 8/11 टू द पावर 2 होता है ये, और इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 121/64. नेक्स्ट नंबर 7. इफ 3 टू द पावर 2x plus 1 divided by 9 is 27, find x. So here also we have to make all the bases equal. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 9 is this. So 3 to the power 2x plus 1 ये multiply हो जाएगा 27 into 9. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 to the power 5. क्यों? क्योंकि 27 is equal to होता है 3 to the power 3, 9 is equal to होता है 3 to the power 2, and if we multiply 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2, then it will be 3 to the power 5. तो अभी the basis same हो गया. Now we can write power is equal to power, exponent is equal to exponent, and in this way the answer is coming 2, right? By what number should this be multiplied so that the product is this? This is very simple. If I ask you, by what number should 4 be multiplied so that the product is 20? So we know that the answer will be 5. Now how this 5 came? हम लोग को कैसे ये 5 मिला? We have divided the product by the number 20 divided by 4 is 5. तो यहाँ पर भी वही सेम चीज़ करना है. 9/8 to the power -2 divided by this numbers. तो ये तो एक्सप्रेशन हो गया, and now we will simplify this, and this expression is only very important. 50% answer is here only. 9/8 to the power -2 will be 8/9 to the power 2 divided by -3/2 to the power -3 will be 2 upon minus is missing here, -3 to the power 3, right? Yes, here is minus sign. So it will be 64/81 divided by -8, because the power is odd number. तो -8/27. सो 64/8 इंटू 27/-8 लिखिए या फिर -27/8 लिखिए. तो इट्स आंसर विल कम -8/3 आफ्टर द रिडक्शन ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में. और अगर इसे हम लोग कन्वर्ट करें मिक्स्ड फॉर्म में तो -2 होगा ये होल 2/3, राइट. The next is number 9. By what number should this be divided so that the quotient is this? तो डिवीजन केस में ये वाले नंबर में इस वाले नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दिस टाइप ऑफ सम बाय लेटिंग x, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डू. दिस डिवाइडेड बाय x इज इक्वल टू दिस एंड देन यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x देयर. तो 5/4 टू द पावर -2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1/2 टू द पावर -3. तो ये हो जाएगा 4/5 टू द पावर 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2/1 टू द पावर 3. तो 16/25 इंटू 1/8, क्योंकि 2/3 2 टू द पावर 3 होगा 8. और जब इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो दिस विल बी 1/8. और आप ये रिड्यूस करने के बाद जो आंसर है वो 2/25 आएगा. सो आई थिंक दिस आंसर इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 विच इज नॉट क्लियर हियर in this PDF. So we are trying that ki this is simplify -2/5 to the power -7. So here is -7 multiply by this is -2/5 to the power I think this is what 9, I think. No, the power is 9. So I am writing here 9 and then bracket close. This is division sign and here is -2/5 to the power 2 and express the result as a power of what? The power of this is 5. Okay. So -2/5 to the power -7 into -2/5 to the power 9 divided by this is the question, right? So the question is like this कि -2/5 to the power -7 multiply by 2/5 और this is -2/5 to the power 9 divided by -2/5 to the power 2. तो इसके बाद ये क्वेश्चन को मैं यहाँ पर सिंप्लीफाई कर दे रहा हूँ because here the texts are not visible. So the bases are same, there is a multiplication sign, so here the power will be added. So it will be -2/5 to the power -7 plus 9 and divided by -2/5 to the power what? To the power 2. I am taking this as a correct question. तो अगर आप बुक में अगर कुछ अलग है तो अकॉर्डिंगली द आंसर विल चेंज. बट आई होप दैट दिस इज़ राइट ओनली. अच्छा, इसको यहाँ से नहीं देखना है. ओके. सो दिस विल बी -2/5 टू द पावर -7 plus 9 is 2 divided by -2/5 to the power what? 2. So now there is a division sign and the bases are same, so we can write here -2/5 to the power 2 minus 2. So this will be minus, this is okay, no need to see this one. So -2/5 to the power 2 minus 2 is 0. And as we know that a/b to the power 0 is 1, so this is our answer. But what was the question here? Result as a power of 5. तो ये तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं हुआ. 5 का बेस हमको बनाना है. तो 1 इक्वल टू वी कैन राइट 5 टू द पावर 0. सो यहाँ पर देखिए दिस इज एक्सप्रेस्ड हियर एज अ पावर ऑफ 5 एंड ये दोनों सेम ही है बिकॉज एनीथिंग टू द पावर 0 इज़ 1. तो 1 को हम लोग 5 टू द पावर 0 लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द आंसर, राइट? 5 टू द पावर 0. 11 number simplify. So here is the simplification, minus 1 by 3 to the power 8 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 and minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power 3. So bases are same, power will be subtracted, minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 हो गया और माइनस इधर भी हो जाएगा, minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 minus 3 2. तो यहाँ तक तो इट्स ऑल राइट, नो प्रॉब्लम. इसके बाद देखता हूँ तो यहाँ पर माइनस है तो कोई बात नहीं, माइनस 1 टू द पावर 3 इज माइनस 1, 3 टू द पावर 3 इज 27 एंड माइनस 1 टू द पावर दिस इज 2, तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन 3 स्क्वायर इज 9. ओके, सो दिस विल बी minus 1 because the LCM of this 2 is 27, तो minus 1 minus of 9 3 are 27, so this will be plus 3 because यहाँ पर अभी प्लस का साइन है, minus 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस होता है. So and so that according to the question given here, the answer will be minus 1 and minus into plus is minus 3 upon 27. And we all know that as minus 1 and minus 3 will give us minus 4, and in this way the answer is minus 4 upon 27 for this question, where the question is minus 1 by 3 to the power 8 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 minus of minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power 3. So for this question the answer is, the correct answer is minus 4 upon 27. Okay, the next one, 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 and whole to the power 2 into, this is the question. So 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 5 to the power 2 into minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 2. So 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 1, because here the division sign is changed into multiplication sign, तो ये हो गया 5 upon 2 to the power 2 into minus 8 by 5 to the power 2. So here the powers are same, so you can multiply the base, otherwise you can simplify and reduce the number. So 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4 minus 8 by 5 whole square is 64 by 25. Again there will be plus sign because minus to the power 2 is plus, and in this way after the cutting of the numerator and denominator, the answer will come 16 plus 16, not minus 16, it will be plus 16, right, according to the question. The next one is write the following number in scientific form and the standard. So we all know that the scientific form of a number is what? We have to express the number in between a into 10 to the power m, where m can be any integer, but the value of a should be greater than 0 and less than 10. Okay, the value of a should be greater than 0 and less than 10. So here to bring this value in between this range 0 and 10, we need to shift the decimal point out here, क्योंकि इसके अलावा आप कहीं पर भी शिफ्ट करोगे तो जो इसका वैल्यू है वो इस रेंज में नहीं आएगा, 0 से लेकर के 10 के रेंज में नहीं आएगा. तो हम लोग कितना डिजिट इसको शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं? 1 डिजिट, 2 डिजिट, 3 डिजिट, 4 डिजिट एंड 5 डिजिट. तो इस तरह से इसका आंसर हो गया 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5, बिकॉज वी आर शिफ्टिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. तो जब आप लेफ्ट टू राइट डेसिमल पॉइंट को शिफ्ट करें तो ये जाने कि जो पावर होगा 10 का वो नेगेटिव होगा, और जब कभी आप राइट से लेफ्ट के तरफ डेसिमल पॉइंट को शिफ्ट करें तो जो आप पावर दोगे वो पॉजिटिव दोगे. इस अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ आप बना सकते हो. तो यहाँ पर भी डेसिमल पॉइंट जो है वो यहाँ से आपको इधर में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज़ ओनली द प्लेस, क्योंकि आप कहीं पर भी दोगे तो इसका जो वैल्यू है ए का वो 0 से 10 के बीच में नहीं आएगा, जो कि आना चाहिए. अगर आप यहाँ दोगे तो 54 बन जाएगा और यहाँ दोगे तो 0.5 बन जाएगा, जो कि 0 से कम है. तो यहीं पर वो प्लेस है जहाँ पर यू कैन पुट द डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स वी आर शिफ्टिंग द decimal point? 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. लेफ्ट टू राइट आ रहे हैं तो पावर नेगेटिव होगा, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. In the same way if you do number 3, तो यहाँ से देखिए 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 डिजिट, 4 डिजिट, 5 डिजिट, 6 डिजिट, 7 डिजिट एंड 8 डिजिट। यहाँ पर डेसिमल पॉइंट होगा ताकि इसका वैल्यू 9.3 आ जाए और इसका जो है 0 और 10 के बीच में आ जाएगा। सो दिस विल 3 इज मिसिंग हियर, इट विल बी 9.3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -8 एंड इन द सेम वे डेसिमल पॉइंट विल कम आउट हियर एंड द आंसर विल बी 3.142। आप इसको लीव नहीं कर सकते हो, यू हैव टू गिव मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 टू द पावर, कितना डिजिट आ रहे हैं 1 2 3, तो -3 इज द आंसर। तो ये हो गया। नाउ एक्सप्रेस राइट द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म का मतलब हो गया कि हमें इस वाले फॉर्म में लिखना है, जिसमें जिस फॉर्म में यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है इस फॉर्म में यहाँ पर आंसर लिखना है। तो अभी अगर पावर नेगेटिव होगा तो डेसिमल पॉइंट जो है वो लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएगा, पावर अगर पॉजिटिव है तो डेसिमल पॉइंट राइट की तरफ शिफ्ट होगा। तो पावर इज नेगेटिव तो डेसिमल पॉइंट 5 डिजिट अभी कहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, तो यहाँ से 5 डिजिट पीछे की तरफ जाएगा, मतलब इस तरफ लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएगा। तो लेफ्ट की तरफ हमारे पास कितने डिजिट हैं, ओनली 1 डिजिट। तो यहाँ पे 4 जो है वो यहाँ पर 0 दे करके इसे 5 डिजिट में कन्वर्ट कर लेना है और आंसर जो है वो ये हो जाएगा 0.0000 एंड 6। विद द सेम लॉ एंड प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पर पावर क्या है, नेगेटिव है, तो लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएगा डेसिमल पॉइंट और कितने डिजिट जाएंगे, तो 4 डिजिट जाएंगे। डेसिमल पॉइंट के लेफ्ट में कितने डिजिट हैं, सिर्फ एक ही डिजिट है, तो यहाँ पे 3 0 दे करके इसे बना लेना होगा। तो इस तरह से इसका आंसर 0.000532 आ गया। 9.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -8 है, तो यहाँ पर पावर क्या है, नेगेटिव है, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएगा, कितना जाएगा 8 डिजिट जाएगा, एक ही डिजिट है डेसिमल के पहले, 7 0 दे देने पड़ेंगे। तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड 9 6 ये आंसर हो गया। और इसी से आप इसको भी जो है वो कर सकते हो। तो अगर आपने इसको समझ लिया है तो ये हमें बताइए कि इसका जो आंसर है वो क्या होगा। 3.55 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 2 इसका आंसर क्या होगा, आप कमेंट में लिख करके बताएं। 14 नंबर में कंपेयर करना है, तो कंपेयर करने में आपको ये ख्याल रखना है कि ये जो पावर है ये हमें इक्वल करने पड़ते हैं ताकि हम जो नंबर्स हैं उसको कंपेयर करके यहाँ पे फिल कर सकें। तो यहाँ पे पावर -6 है और यहाँ पर -5 है, तो मैं -6 को -5 में कन्वर्ट कर दे रहा हूँ। तो 2.3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर जो -6 है इसको -5 और -1 कर सकते हैं। तो ये हो जाएगा 2.3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 टू द पावर -5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -1। जब आप इस दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट 1 डिजिट पीछे की तरफ जाएगा, तो दिस विल बी 0.23 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -5। अब यहाँ पर 10 टू द पावर -5 ऑलरेडी था और ये इधर में क्या आ गया 0.23 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -5। सो ऑब्वियसली नाउ वी विल कंपेयर 0.23 एंड 4.65 क्योंकि 10 टू द पावर -5 लेफ्ट में भी है और राइट में भी है, तो ये इसको हमें नहीं देखना है अब, ठीक है। इधर है 0.23, दिस विल बी 0.23 नॉट द 2.3 और दिस साइड इज 4.65, तो ऑब्वियसली 0.23 इज लेस देन 4.65 एंड सो दैट द आंसर इज लेस देन। In the same way 7 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -20 इंटू 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -21, तो जो 21 है इसे हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, इसको लिखेंगे -20 एंड -1। अभी 9 को अगर आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो दिस विल बी 0.9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -20 और इधर तो 7 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -20 था ही। नाउ विल कंपेयर दिस 7 एंड दिस 0.9 जो कि 7 बड़ा है 0.9 से और इस तरह से यहाँ पर ग्रेटर दैन का सिंबल जो है वो सिंबल आ गया। सो इस तरह से दिस एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड और ये जो